Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing something fun because I'm on a trip with some of my friends. We are going to be reading some Reddit stories. All of them contain crochet. So it's a fun little twist on the Reddit reading trend, but with crochet people. So I hope you enjoy. These are my friends.
Hi, I'm Aidan, also known as Aidan Loves Crochet on TikTok and Instagram. That's it.
Okay, hi, I'm Brooke, or 1/3 Crochet on Instagram and TikTok.
Awesome. Okay. Here's our first story. This is from r/am I the asshole. This says, am I the asshole if I refuse to crochet for someone because they were going to steal a gift?
No. Am I allowed to give my first thought?
Yeah.
My thought is no.
Going to steal a gift?
Yeah.
Okay.
Throwaway count. So I, 15 male, crocheted a small plush for a teaching assistant because she really helped me this year and I wanted to say thank you. The teacher kept it in their room and a year 7 that we will call May saw it and tried to take it.
Okay.
Like me, May has autism, but I'd say that I'm more neurotypical. She tried to take it while I was there. The teacher says I should make her one because she keeps moaning that she wants one every time she sees it, and she repeatedly tries to take it from the teacher. However, I don't want to make her one, which might make me an asshole, because the plush only takes me 2 hours to make and it's really simple, but I also don't want to use up my supplies and my time because she wants one for free. The teacher wants me to make one so that May will stop bothering her. I talked about it this morning with the teacher and she said that May is a bit spoiled and always gets what she wants at home. Her exact words, not paraphrasing. As I already said, I have autism. I don't really know if I'm being an asshole or not, so I'll let you guys decide.
No.
No!
No.
What words am I allowed to use?
You can cuss.
Fuck! No!
That's the dumbest shit. No. There's no one is ever entitled, like with how much, I don't care if it's only 2 hours, if it's a little plushie, like with how much work goes into like learning and then buying the supplies. Like the reason that they made this for their teacher was like as a token of appreciation, and it sounds like they don't even really know this other person. Like they also, there's no reason to have to make something for them.
Also, I'm sorry, why is the teacher being bullied by a child? Stand up! Stand up, teacher! You're
Well, like, I'm assuming she's taking it back because she says she just, every time she's in her room, she keeps trying to take the plushie.
oh my gosh.
So the teacher's probably like, that's mine.
She's like, give it to her because she's spoiled. No.
No, she doesn't say give it to her. She says make her
Make her
another
one because she's spoiled.
Yeah,
So she,
No.
the teacher obviously wants the plushie.
I would take the one back from the teacher. No, you don't deserve it anymore.
Okay. Maybe not that far.
All right, moving on to the next story. The title is, am I the asshole for wanting to give my mother-in-law an ultimatum about my wedding because she was crocheting me things?
No, I'm anti-mother-in-law, usually.
Initial feelings are yes.
Okay.
But
Usually
let's see.
mother-in-laws are in the wrong, just saying.
Like the mother-in-law was crocheting her.
Oh, then I take it back. I think,
Yeah.
I think
Let's see.
I think
It sounds like
Opie's
it
the
might be a.
Usually I'm anti-mother-in-law, but someone's making you a gift and you want to, yeah, we'll see.
All
We
right.
need context.
Context.
Mother-in-law is really into crochet. She has insatiable energy and needs constant attention.
Dude, your energy is so insatiable.
She's like, can you leave me alone and go crochet something?
After my father-in-law lost his shit on her 15 years ago because she kept waking him up and demanding he entertain her, parentheses, she doesn't sleep for more than 4 hours.
Okay.
She picked up a hobby.
Oh, goodness gracious.
She makes really cool stuff. Mother-in-law and I have a pretty awful relationship, but she offered to make me a dress because I loved the one that she made for herself. I was surprised because she pretty much seems to hate me, but father-in-law said to just let her do it. She needs something to entertain her for all those hours she doesn't sleep.
Why doesn't she sleep?
I don't know. I don't know.
Go to bed.
Around the same time, I began having issues with my mother-in-law related to the wedding planning. She tends to act ridiculous when things aren't about her. She was holding wedding dresses up to the mirror at my appointment. She was extremely whining during my bridal shower and kept making conversations about her trying to one-up me.
Literally was telling me, mother-in-laws are always the asshole in these stories. Always! Whenever it says mother-in-law,
Hang
asshole.
on, I want to hear the rest.
I talked to my fiance and knew we needed to talk and give her an ultimatum. Now, I might be a bit of an asshole because she was almost done crocheting the dress, and I waited until she was done.
Oh my god. Okay, now we're blurring the line here.
When she gave me the dress, I thanked her. I waited 1 week to have the conversation so that she wouldn't feel used. I brought up her behavior and told her how it made me feel. I said if there was any more hurtful behavior, she would be excluded from the rest of the wedding planning and just attend as a regular guest with no extra attention.
Oh,
So the dress doesn't have anything to do with the wedding.
I
I
guess
thought she's not even being removed from the wedding. She's just a. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Mother-in-law screamed at me that our wedding is going to suck and she will only be coming out of obligation. She then asked if I intentionally waited because of the dress. I admitted that I had, and she was pissed and demanded that I give it to her to
Okay.
cut. Like she's gonna cut it up.
She's gonna
So
frog
it's
it.
not a wedding dress. What dress is it again? It's just a dress.
It's just a dress, I
Who
guess.
gives a fuck? Give the dress back.
I obviously refused, and now she isn't talking to me and says that I used her for the crochet dress. My fiance tried texting her, but she was just, fuck off, I'm busy.
She
Okay,
sucks.
kind of girl bossy.
So that's the end.
Okay, I feel like kind of mutual assholiness. I think there's nothing wrong with removing mother-in-law from planning and keeping them as a guest. I think she should have given the dress back. You know what I mean? Like, who cares? You know what I mean? It's not your wedding dress. It's not like, just give it back. Who cares?
Yeah.
I do think it was kind of asshole-ish to wait until the dress was done, but at the same time, I thought it was going to be, I waited and I said she's not coming. But the fact that she can still come, like, you know, good.
The only thing, okay, so the mother-in-law sounds kind of like an ass.
Insane.
Mhm.
But the only thing that like kind of bothered, like it sounds like the person who wrote this doesn't really like get like what goes into making
dress?
a dress.
Agreed.
A dress will take a long ass time.
Yeah,
And it
so
could be
they're, like,
100 hours of
'cause
work.
She said she's just
More.
gonna cut it up. It's like she's like anybody who made a dress and wanted, like they're not gonna cut it up. They're probably gonna make something else out of it.
Right.
So it's like
She's probably gonna frog it.
yeah.
And
I think they're
but
both the assholes.
I think so too.
everyone sucks here. But also, like, she says that she hates her and stuff, but
Why did you let her make
she's
you a
making
present
her
if you
a
hate
dress.
her? Yeah.
I would never make someone a dress that I hated.
No.
Like,
Maybe it was a bribe.
I don't know.
I'm a little confused.
I don't know why.
I'm confused. So I agree the mother-in-law sucks, but I'm still like waiting for more than just she was trying on the dresses, or she was
Yeah.
holding up dresses in the mirror. What else did she do again? I feel like it was
like
basically
me.
she's just like, we have an awful relationship.
Oh,
She's
she just didn't go into
being
it.
a
I
bitch
guess.
at the wedding planning and the bridal
Okay.
shower and stuff like that.
Okay.
But then she's like, I don't know what the ultimatum is.
I don't think there is one. It's just you're
I
not
don't-
planning it anymore.
I don't
which-
think this is well written.
I don't think so
basically.
either. It doesn't really track.
Reddit says that she's the asshole.
I kind of agree.
I think they're both assholes.
Yeah.
They're both assholes.
I don't think that if she was doing this to clear her conscience, I don't think.
I think the only asshole in this like she's only the asshole because she's not giving the dress back. I think the rest of it's fine.
Mm.
Literally, if she'd given the dress back, it'd be okay.
So here's some comments. It says, you're the asshole for waiting until she finished your dress to confront her.
Agreed.
It could have been dealt with sooner, and you were indeed using her for the dress.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Which,
Yeah.
that's totally true. You're the asshole for shamelessly using her. Do you have any idea how many hours of work something like
Yep.
a wedding dress takes? So this person's is saying it's a wedding dress.
Yeah, but they didn't say. I mean,
It doesn't say it's a wedding
but
dress.
even a regular dress.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, okay, this is the OP responded. She said, she didn't make me a wedding dress. It's an everyday dress. I'm aware of how long it takes, but my
I just really wanted it. It was pretty.
As my father-in-law said, she needs projects to work on for all the hours she is up and all the energy she has to burn. It doesn't matter.
No, that's like when like my mom and stuff or my friends are like, "Oh, you're already making something. Why don't you just make something for me?" It's like,
Yeah.
no,
You love to crochet, just make no. That's okay.
you're
OP,
already doing it.
OP
that's making OP worse.
Doesn't understand.
No, literally. I feel like this is some plot on the mother-in-law. Like, why is she not sleeping? Why was she told to start crocheting just so she could, you know, be forced to make presents for the family?
Yeah. So that's the only time that she responded. The account is deleted though. So
Good. I love when they do that. I love when they are told they're the asshole and then they're like, I like when they fight about it because they don't want to believe it, and I also like when they just delete themselves off the internet.
yeah. All right. Next post. Am I the asshole for laughing at my niece's gift?
No, keep going.
All right, so.
No. I have a niece. No.
My 12-year-old niece is really into arts and crafts.
Okay.
She recently got into crocheting. Before Christmas, she told me that she had a surprise gift for me, and she seemed really excited about it. I told her I was really looking forward to it as well, and I prepared her gift myself, which was actually art supplies.
Cute.
On Christmas, when we had our family gathering, she brought me her gift. She was super excited for me to open it. When I opened it, I saw a crocheted animal. But if I'm being honest, it looked really, really bad.
Okay.
And that's in all caps.
Oh no. I wish you could upload pictures. Like I would love to see what it looked like.
To give you an idea of what it looked like, imagine something from r/bad taxidermy.
Yes!
Oh my god.
But in crochet form. I couldn't help myself but burst out laughing, and I couldn't stop laughing no matter how hard I tried to suppress it, so I had to excuse myself and go to the washroom, where I locked myself in there for nearly 10 minutes. When I came out, my niece was in tears, and her parents were trying to console her. I apologized profusely, and I told her I really liked the gift, but she kept crying and yelled at me, calling me a liar, and that she sucked at art.
Is that it?
Okay, yeah, they're kind of the
I think you are the asshole.
My niece avoided me for the vast majority of the party after that. I tried to make her feel better by displaying the gift on my living room cabinet, but my wife pulled me aside later in the day and told me to take it down after the party because it was really ugly and made her uncomfortable.
This family's crazy.
Divorce the wife, marry the plushie.
Divorce the wife, marry the plushie. Surprisingly, all the adults were very understanding of my situation.
What could it possibly look like? I'm so...
Okay.
Like, there's nothing that would be like, you can't hang that up. Like a children's artwork, they all look bad.
Yeah, no,
they
especially
always
in a
look bad.
family.
The wife's the
Everyone
asshole.
knows.
OP's not the
The
asshole.
wife,
Honestly,
and
I
wife
think they
are
both
assholes
are.
OP
together.
like could have played it better, but you
Mhm.
sometimes you can't control how
Okay,
you react.
10 minutes of laughter is...
Like that's
Oh,
excessive.
crazy.
Like you have to know when you're
I
dealing
think
with a
that-
little kid to be a little nicer than normal, but I
An
don't
initial-
think it's an asshole move to laugh at
Exactly,
the toy.
exactly.
An initial giggle, okay. I think
You could be like, oh, it's so cute, I love it.
literally,
Yeah.
like, I feel like the rules, if a kid gives you something, it's obviously going to be ugly. So the rule is,
Hey!
you like it, you enjoy it. You don't need to say it looks nice. You don't need to say, you know what I mean? Like,
Just say
say
thank
you
you.
enjoy it. Thank you. I
Say
appreciate
thank
the
you.
fact that you made me a gift. You don't have to say this is
Right.
the best crochet thing ever. You just say thank you for taking the time to make me a gift.
Yeah, say thank you and move on. But at
The wife is for sure an asshole.
They all are. I feel bad for the kid. She can make me whatever.
I'll take it. You can mail it to me. I'll get a PO box just for you, babe.
I'll display it on my fridge.
I would literally proudly take something.
I'll
that
take
looked
a
like it was
picture.
from bad taxidermy.
I'll take a picture and print it out and then hang that up as well.
At the end, he says, I feel really bad because I feel like I destroyed my niece's confidence. She's probably never going to crochet again.
Literally, that's the end of it.
Yeah. And then he says, I'm not sure how I can make it up to her. And that's the end.
Buy her crochet hooks.
Literally can't.
So
Buy her a
Reddit,
bunch of nice crochet stuff.
yeah, Reddit says he's the asshole.
Good.
Here is a comment. You're the asshole. She's 12 and she worked really hard on something. It breaks my heart just to think about her getting laughed at. Poor kid.
By your family, nonetheless.
I know.
I would try to never see that person again.
Yeah, that sucks. That really sucks. I don't think I've ever made someone for a family. I've never made something for a family member, and they were like, "This sucks."
I can't even imagine.
They just are like, "Oh wow, thank you," and then they'll like never wear it or something like that.
Yeah.
Which,
But like you
that's
have siblings, right?
yeah, I have siblings.
They ever give you a gift that's ugly
Of course.
and you laugh at it, right?
But
When
siblings
you're like,
is different.
I love it.
It's so good.
Siblings
But
is
my
different
niece,
from-
she's like, she
Yeah, but
sends
this
me.
is an adult man and a 12-year-old girl. Like,
Yeah, I guess maybe 12. I'm thinking like just like little kids. Like you get a drawing and you're like,
right.
I think a giggle
no,
is okay.
yeah, okay, you're the asshole,
There's
and your
no-
wife's an asshole.
I love it. It's beautiful.
She's cute.
Last one. Am I the asshole for crocheting around my boyfriend?
No.
This is gonna upset me.
I, 24 female. True.
I'm 24.
I'm 23.
I'm not.
My birthday's next month. Okay.
old. Anyway.
I, 24 female, was at my boyfriend's 29 male's house, We were watching our usual shows, but I've recently become more interested in crocheting. I can multitask very easily, which is true, and I was crocheting while we had something on. My boyfriend said it was rude to ignore him and the show, but I was paying attention. I told him I was still watching the show, but he said I was a selfish asshole for crocheting during our time together.
Dump him. Dump him. Dump him.
I wasn't ignoring him like he claims. Am I the asshole?
No. Crochet him some tissues and he'd go fucking cry about it. I hate people like this.
Oh my.
No. I mean, do we? No.
Is he on his phone? Is he eating? Is he doing literally anything else while he's watching TV? The answer is yes.
Or is he? No, he's like this. Don't blink. Don't breathe. Did you see that?
TV.
That was really interesting.
Oh my gosh, my eyes got hurt.
Wow, that was great.
No,
that's how I watch TV.
And also, like, isn't it literally proven that repetitive motions help you with your memory? Like doing something with your hands.
Is it?
Yeah, like literally, like if you. That's why they say like it helps you concentrate because you like get out pent up energy, so you're not like thinking about other things.
I noticed that before crochet I couldn't watch TV very well because I had such low attention span because I'd be on my phone, I'd be, you know what I mean, I'd be cleaning, doing something, and now I can actually enjoy TV again because I can sit and do this and it keeps my hands busy and I can listen.
Right. Okay, so there's an update on the story. I have never had this many comments on a post before. The amount of people saying this is a red flag from just this post alone is very eye-opening. This morning, I asked why he cared so much about why I was crocheting or not, and his answer was along the lines of, stop bringing up the past, you're looking for a fight. Which I wasn't.
Dumb.
This is what he always says when I try to talk about anything that he doesn't like.
The update better be that she's broken up with him.
Yeah, is that the only update?
I haven't thought much about it before, and I blamed myself, but he can't even engage in a civil conversation. That's not my fault.
29-year-old man, baby.
Yeah.
She's 29.
He's 29.
And she's 24.
Yeah.
Get help. Literally get help.
And then this is the end. Thank you for the support. I'm going to keep crocheting, but I am considering ending this relationship.
Considering?
I can't even stop because my hands are so sweaty.
Keep crocheting, drop your man. If your man doesn't let you crochet, why are you with him?
That loves when I crochet.
My boyfriend, if your boyfriend doesn't support you fully in your crochet journey, drop the man.
Films videos for me, takes pictures of me.
Yeah,
exactly.
Well, that's all the stories I have today. Did you guys have fun?
I'm a little frustrated, but it was yay!
It was an even split, so we had 2 assholes and 2 not assholes.
Yeah. I don't even remember the other ones.
Forgot them already.
Yeah.
They're like, whoop.
People are crazy.
Thank you for being in my video. If we look glossy, it's because we have no AC in this Airbnb, and we're sweating. So, thank you for being here. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Aidan. You don't have YouTube. Nope. Follow Aidan. Subscribe to Brooke. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Cut.
And cut.